Proverbs 27:17 says that as iron sharpens iron, people sharpen people. And as coaches, that's what we're here to do through the sport of triathlon. To show people how to challenge their limits and accomplish things they never imagined were possible. To cultivate a community of positive people, a group that likes to work hard and play hard. And to build up our village, the friends and the family who support us day in and day out.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Sweet.
Triathlon is an individual sport, and everyone has their own individual story. But it's watching how those stories interact to help inspire and motivate each other during training and racing that make this sport what it is. Part of the beautiful thing about the group is that we're all in different spots in our journey, whether you're just starting out or you're trying to really push it to that next level. We can all help each other in the process.
So started off, played football in college, then kind of got into Olympic weightlifting, did some stuff with USA weightlifting, and then found jiu-jitsu, and then through that found cardio again, and now found triathlon. So hoping to learn a lot from the collective group, and really excited.
We don't train to add days to our life. We train to add life to our days, to challenge what's possible, and to inspire each other along the way.